In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your VSeeBox V6 Plus. So all you need to do first is connect the VSeeBox to your TV. You can connect the HDMI cable from the VSeeBox to an available HDMI ports in your TV and the power adapter to your VSeeBox and the wall outlets. Then just go and turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI inputs. Once you do so, you would like to take your remote and insert two AAA batteries into the remote. And when the parent screen appears, just press and hold the OK and volume minus buttons together. Release the buttons after the remote connects successfully to your TV. You'll be able to see it like connected successfully in your TV. Once you're done with that, you'll have to complete the initial setup. So follow the on-screen prompt to select your language, adjust the screen size, choose your time zone, and then you'll have to accept the user agreement. The setup wizard will guide you through each step. Once you do so, you'll have to choose one of the connections method. You have two options. You have the option to connect your Wi-Fi. You can select your network and enter your password. And if your TV has an Ethernet port, or actually you'll have to plug it into the VC box. You'll have to connect a network cable from your router to the VC box, and it should connect automatically without entering a password if you don't want to get annoyed by that. And of course, a wired Ethernet connection usually provides the most stable performance if you want the best performance. So after connecting to the internet, you can allow the device to finish its initial configuration, install any available system updates, and you will then arrive to the VSeeBox home screen ready to configure your own apps and settings. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, hit that like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.